Hi everyone, welcome back to Train. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. Before we get started, have you ever wondered if AI will replace your job? According to the World Economic Forum, stats display that by 2025, 85 million jobs will be displaced and 97 million new jobs will emerge due to AI. In today's video, I want to discuss 9 jobs that AI can't replace for now. So let's dive right in. First up, we have teachers. AI can assist with small group interactions and social-emotional skills, but it can't build the trust and handle complex social interactions the way human teachers do. From resolving conflicts to engaging with parents, teachers provide a unique touch that AI simply can't replicate. Second, we have nurses. While AI can manage tasks like transporting medical supplies, it's the face-to-face interactions and bedside care where human nurses shine. Comforting patients, having tough conversations, and showing compassion are best left to humans. Third, therapists play a crucial role in our mental health. AI can offer supplementary support, but the emotional labor of listening and guiding people through their feelings is a task for humans. Fourth, even in the legal world, lawyers aren't going anywhere. Legal advice involves deep understanding of morals and ethics, areas where AI doesn't really measure up. While AI can help with research and document reviews, the nuanced judgment of a human lawyer is irreplaceable. Fifth, social workers are another essential profession. They work with at-risk populations, understanding unique circumstances and providing support that demands human judgment and empathy. Sixth, HR specialists. AI can screen resumes, but recruiting, interviewing, onboarding, and handling sensitive employee matters such as complaints and layoffs require the personal touch and sensitivity of a human HR specialist. Seventh, handy people like plumbers and electricians require excellent eye-hand coordination and the ability to deal with unexpected issues. Plus, interacting with clients to resolve problems is something AI can't do effectively. Eighth, writers might be able to use AI for idea generation, but the creativity and critical thinking involved in writing are uniquely human skills. Whether it's copywriting, technical writing, or storytelling, humans still shine with crafting engaging and audience-specific content. And finally, artists. While AI can generate art based on existing styles, true artistic innovation and the creation of new styles come from human creativity and originality. Developing new artistic styles and ideas is something AI can't replicate. So with that being said, these are 9 jobs that we think AI won't replace anytime soon. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. And as always, Kira and I are here to help, so if you have any AI questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.